Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is January 31st and I'm using my new easy scalper trading system. This system has 2 excellent scalping indicators for you traders who love to scalp. I use it to get into the trade and then I just manage it to grab a lot more pips and ticks. The first indicator is obviously this easy scalper, moving average here, changes colors. And the second one is the arrows, also changing colors. That one's called the super signal. You'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here suggesting either to buy or sell. Remember, there's 4 things you're going to need to succeed at trading. You'll need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I provide the education. And of course, you're going to need a daily trade plan. Now you must think like you're learning to become a doctor or lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. When you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you have only a 5% chance of succeeding. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets. I'll do that in a free Skype call. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, every morning at 6 o'clock or thereabouts, I get in front of the computer. I'm trading the continuation of the London session and moving into the New York session. I'm looking at all the different instruments, and of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's right up to date, running in real time. Drills down the lights from the monthly all the way to the 30 minutes. So all I need to stay on is either the 15 minutes, that's the one I prefer, and from time to time I'll drop it down to the 5 minutes. All I'm looking for is in the comments, after it does all the tabulations, whether I should be looking for bullish trades or bearish trades. If you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are struggling. If you have any questions, or even if you want to buy the daily trade plan or anything at all you got to do is get in contact with me, and I do prefer Skype. All that information, plus a lot more, is right below this video in the description. Okay, now we can check out some of these trades that I did. First one was crude oil. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling this one. Right at this point, had a couple of red arrows. The daily trade plan, I manually put in this white arrow. After I checked the daily trade plan, it was suggesting it's going to go down. Now the market is very random and you must have a lot of patience. It does cycles like this. And if you don't want to get caught in these kind of cycles, well, I teach an excellent video. Says how to get near perfect timing entries. But this didn't bother me, as I knew it was going to continue to work its way down. And since this one pays $10 for each tick, looking at the money, this should be 33, easy to see. And let's see if we can find that 33. There it is right there, 33 ticks, paying out $330. Moving along to the next trade, which is the euro dollar. Now this euro dollar, because the USD is on the right hand side, it does pay $10 for each pip. Looking at the money, well, this should be 43. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now I wanted to be buying this particular one. Scalper was blue, daily trade plan was blue, or suggesting to buy. There's your blue arrow. A lot of things telling me, including that it did qualify for a great way to trade. I knew it was going to go up, and up it went, giving me those 43 pips, and that paid out $430. Moving on to the next trade. Now the pound dollar is exactly the same as the euro dollar. They're correlated most of the time. If you buy one, you can buy the other one, and they both pay $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. So let's go and run a check to see where I got in at, see how it looks. Almost identical. So let's see. Scalper was blue arrow. Daily trade plan was blue, or suggesting to buy. And due to the fact it pays $10, this should be 52, and there it is right there, 52 pips, paying out $520. Okay, let's move on to the next trade on this NASDAQ here. So I wanted to be selling it. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Here was the pullback. I knew it was going to do this cycle. This one I exercised some patience and I just waited. Hooked around, started to go down. So NASDAQ, let's just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now it does pay $20 for each tick, so I took the money and divided it by 20. And the calculator says it should be 27 approximately. So there's the arrow from the super signal from the daily trade plan. A lot of things here telling me it's going to go down. So let's see where I got in at, right here at this cursor. And I could have made at least double the amount, but I was happy at this point. And my daily goal when I'm trading, all I'm looking for is 200 or more pips and ticks. Says it's 27 as soon as I can get this to lock in. There it is right there, 27 ticks. You remove the last two digits, and that ended up paying out $544. Okay, let's move on to the last trade. Let's run a check on this Russell here. Russell pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, this should be 120. So let's drag and drop this up. First of all, see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it from the daily trade plan. The scalper was red. We had lots of red arrows here. So, and of course, I knew that there was always a chance for it to do one more little cycle. But eventually, I knew it was going to go down. So let's see, it should be 120. I knew when I saw this big wick here, well, party's pretty much over. And what did they say about 120? There it is right there, 120 ticks, and that paid out $1,200. So another great day of trading using my easy scalper trading system. I knew it was going to be well over 200. And the grand total came to 275. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,024. So if your system's not producing great results, well, recommend you get your hands on the system and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy, quite simple. All you got to do is look right below this video, and there's a banner. You'll see the word more. All you got to do is click on it. It'll open up another box with a lot of information. And you'll also see that you can contact me. You can pick up the phone and call me directly. I do answer the phone unless I'm busy talking to another trader. So keep in mind I do prefer Skype, as it is the best for me. Now, as you're looking below in the description, you'll see 4 different packages. I recommend getting as much education as possible. As I mentioned earlier, you're going to need a lot of education. And I do have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe, okay? Bye for now.